Good morning, Standard 10 students. Now I will be taking it from there when Luce Long had extended a hand of friendship with Jesse Owens. And he has understood that Jesse Owens has been very disturbed because he was not able to concentrate or qualify for the finals for the broad jump event. Jesse Owens, I am Luce Long. I don't think we met. He spoke English well, though with a German twist to it. He spoke English, but he had the German accent, the dialect of the way the Germans speak. Glad to meet you, I said. Then, trying to hide my nervousness, I added, how are you? I'm fine. The question is, how are you? Because Luce Long has understood that Jesse Owens is mentally disturbed. What do you mean? I asked. Something must be eating you. Or something must be eating you, it means that something is bothering you or worrying you. Okay. He said, proud the way foreigners are when they've mastered a bit of American slang. So now Luce Long was trying to speak in the tone like the way the American speaks so that Jesse Owens will be able to understand. Now, since he's got a German accent, sometimes we do find it difficult to follow the way a foreigner speaks. You should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. He gave a bit of advice. He encouraged Jesse Owens, gave him the confidence that he could perform the broad jump event even with his eyes closed. Believe me, I know it, I told him, and it felt good to say that to someone. For the next few minutes, we talked together. I didn't tell Long what was eating me, so I didn't express my feelings or what was bothering me or what was worrying me. But he seemed to understand my anger. And he took pains to reassure me. Although he'd been schooled in the Nazi youth movement, he didn't believe in the Aryan supremacy business any more than I did. Now, the Aryan supremacy theory was based on the superiority over the blacks or the dark-skinned people. We laughed over the fact that he really looked the part. Really looked the part means he looked like a long jumper or a broad jumper. Though an inch taller than I, he had a lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes, blonde hair. Blonde hair means golden color hair, and a strikingly handsome, chiseled face. Now, finally seeing that I had calmed down somewhat, he pointed to the takeoff board. So now even you will be made to describe Luce Long. So please, whatever description is given about Luce Long, you have to memorize that. Look, he said, why don't you draw a line a few inches at the back of the board and aim at making your takeoff from there. You'll be sure not to foul, and you certainly ought to jump far enough to qualify. What does it matter if you're not first in the trial? Tomorrow is what counts. So here Luce Long, being a participant of the broad jump event, which had also earlier made Jesse Owens jealous of him because on the trial jumps he was jumping over 26 feet. And on the other hand, Jesse Owens was faltering. Okay. And he was on the verge of being disqualified and he may not be able to take part in the finals. So here Luce Long had come to his rescue, had come to help him. He extended a hand of friendship and understood that Jesse Owen is very angry with himself because he was not able to perform well in the trial jumps. So he suggested for him to draw a few inches away from the takeoff board so that he may not cross the takeoff board while jumping. Suddenly, all the tension seemed to ebb out of my body. Ebb means to flow away. Okay, means to come out from his system because inwardly he was angry with himself, he was irritated with himself. So now ebb away means now all those negative thoughts which he had in his mind now was coming out of his system. As the truth of what he said hit me, means he has understood exactly what Luce Long was trying to explain to him. Confidently, I drew a line a full foot at the back of the board and proceeded to jump from there. I qualified with almost a foot to spare. It means that he jumped a little more farther away. That night, I walked over to Luce Long's room in the Olympic Village to thank him. Now, Jesse Owens had gone over to his tent to thank Luce Long for advising him how to perform or how to jump this broad jump event, and how he thanked him because he was able to qualify for the finals. I knew that if he hadn't been for him, I probably wouldn't be jumping in the finals the following day. We sat in his quarters and talked for 2 hours about track and field. Obviously, they're sportsmen, they will always talk about track and field events, ourselves, about their personal selves, the world situation, what's happening around the world, and a dozen other things. That means they were having a formal talk, an informal talk, and like friends, they were discussing about various topics. When I finally got up to leave, we both knew that a real friendship had been formed. So as soon as Jesse Owens decided to leave, both of them understood that they have become very good friends. A true bond of friendship had been built between Jesse Owens and Luce Long. Luce would go out to the field the next day trying to beat me if he could, but I knew that he wanted me to do my best. So next day, Luce Long was going to perform and he was going to win the gold medal. And on the other hand, he also wished that Jesse Owens would give his best or perform his best. Even if that meant my winning, even if Jesse Owens wins the gold medal. As it turned out, Luce broke his own past record. In doing so, he pushed me on to a peak performance. Now, Luce Long, when he was performing in the finals, he had broken his previous records. Now, that gave Jesse Owens a big boost to give his best. I remember that at that instant, I landed from my final jump, the one which set the Olympic record of 26 feet, 5.5 inches. So when Jesse Owens did his final jump, he won the gold medal. He was at my side, congratulating me, despite the fact that Hitler glared at us from the stands not 100 yards away. Now, Luce Long had lost the broad jump event. Jesse Owens bagged the gold medal. Even after losing, Luce Long was not discouraged or was not embarrassed. Straight away, he went all out to congratulate Jesse Owens for winning the broad jump event. Now, Hitler was watching from his VIP stand and he was staring the way Luce Long and Jesse Owens, greeted each other. Luce shook my hand, and it hard, and it wasn't a fake smile with a broken heart sort of grip either. Now he shook hands, congratulating Jesse Owens for winning the gold medal. He smiled. That smile was also genuine. He did not pretend that he was happy or all that. He was genuinely very happy that Jesse Owens had won the gold medal. And that is how Jesse Owens felt. That because of Luce Long, he was able to win the gold medal of his favorite event, the broad jump. So now he says, you can melt down all the gold medals and cups I have, and they couldn't be plating on the 24 karat friendship I felt for Luce Long at that moment. He says, now that was his greatest Olympic prize. He said, now you can melt all my gold medals and trophies and all that and convert that into pure gold. That is 24 karat gold is considered to be pure gold. So, but for me, the friendship between Luce Long and myself, it was more purer than the 24 karat of gold. So, of all my gold medals, I consider this friendship more precious to me than all the gold medals and trophies that I have won. So that was his greatest Olympic prize. So what was Jesse Owens' greatest Olympic prize was this friendship between Luce Long and himself. I realized then too that Luce was the epitome, means a very good example, a true example of what Pierre de Coubertin, founder of the modern Olympic Games, must have had in mind. That is true sportsman spirit. When he said, the important thing in the Olympic Games is not winning but taking part. The essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. So now we have come to know that the greatest Olympic prize for Jesse Owens was his friendship between Luce Long and himself. He says, even if you could melt all the gold medals and trophies I have won and convert that into 24 karat gold, but my friendship with Luce Long is more precious than the 24 karat of gold. So thank you, and I shall be sending you the notes. Please write and learn them for your exams. Thank you.